Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two popular platforms, Wise versus Revolut. Whether you're a frequent traveler, freelancer, or just someone who loves to save on international transfers, this video will help you decide which platform is best for your needs. So now, first, let's discuss the pros and cons of Wise. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, has earned a reputation for its low-cost international money transfers. Here are the key pros. So number one would be its low fees. Wise offers some of the lowest fees for cross-border transfers, using the real exchange rate without any hidden markups. And then number two would be its multi-currency accounts. You can hold and manage money in over 50 currencies, making it ideal for freelancers or anyone dealing with multiple currencies. And then number three would be its transparent pricing. You always know upfront how much your transfer will cost. However, Wise is not perfect. Here are its cons. Number one, it would be there are no credit or loans. Unlike Revolut, Wise doesn't offer additional financial products like credit or personal loans. And then number two would be its limited features. It's mainly a transfer service, so it lacks the more versatile financial tools Revolut provides. Now, let's talk about Revolut, which is more than just a transfer service. Here's what makes Revolut stand out. Number one is its multifunctional app. Revolut is more of an all-in-one financial app, offering not just transfers, but cryptocurrency trading, budgeting tools, and even stock trading. And then number two is its premium account options. If you're willing to pay for a premium plan, you get perks like travel insurance, cashback, and priority customer service. And then number three would be its virtual and physical cards. You can generate virtual cards for secure online purchases and use physical cards abroad without any extra fees. However, there are some downsides. Number one would be its complex fee structure. Revolut's fees can be higher, especially if you don't subscribe to their premium accounts. And then number two is its customer service. While Revolut has many features, customer service can be hit or miss for non-premium users. And now the big question is, which one should you choose? Here's a quick breakdown. If your primary need is low-cost, straightforward international transfers, then Wise is probably your best bet. If you want a multifunctional app that offers a broader range of services beyond transfers, such as trading and financial management, Revolut could be the better choice. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.